This project aims at exploring relationships between painting price evaluation and the single pixels that make it. Data was scraped from the Bluin Art Sales Index webpage. In total, we created a database of 35,000 paintings at a total valuation of $9 billion US. We utilized the Python OpenCV library to perform processing on images of the paintings. These included functions to find the most dominant color within the image, calculate average brightness across all pixels, extract the number of unique colors, image thresholding to evaluate tendency to using dark versus bright colors, calculating the relative high and low brightness ratio, detecting corners using the Harris corner detection, detecting edges using the canny edge detection method, and finally using the Haar cascade phase detection routine. Trends explored in the database included paintings produced in the 1960s recorded the highest sales. This coincides with the many artistic impulses that began to gain momentum during that period, including the explosion of consumerism and popular culture. Paintings with whites, grays, and blacks as dominant colors are most likely to have high sales values. Paintings detected with low corners are also more likely to have high sales value. Auctions of very valuable pieces tend to coincide with many successful exhibitions. In an attempt to develop a machine learning platform for pricing artwork, we created a linear regression model specifically fit for paintings by Spanish painter Pablo Picasso. We used a set of 4,000 paintings for training and another equal set for tasting. Our model reached a predicted actual price correlation of 0.58. We also built separate regression models based on single parameters as predictors. We noticed that the ratio of unique colors alone generated a relatively high correlation of 0.46 between predicted values and actual prices. Taking a log on the height and width parameters also resulted in high correlation values. This allowed us to pick the best performing parameters for our regression model. The final version of the model scored between 0.32 and 0.34.